what things it needed. It needed a plate, a bottle of water, paper, and a soap. Then we'll pour some water in the dish. Okay. Now we'll put paper on the water. Like this. Now we will rub hand on the soap. We will wet our forefinger and we'll rub on soap. And we will touch to. Wow! Ooh! What happened? See? Wow! How is it happening? Why? This happens because the paper sits on the water and the top layer of the water molecules very quickly spread out and carry the paper with them. Wow, an interesting idea. Friends, remember that I have chosen this experiment because germs are everywhere. That's why wash your hands till 20 seconds. Till 20 seconds. Okay, children? Make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for my next experiments updates. Thank you. See you soon guys. Bye.